Oh man, y'all here too, huh? Well, welcome to the Cooking Journal. I know y'all say, Cooking Journal, man, you ain't got that energy. Man, I ain't. I've been busy, I've been working, then I've been writing that book on the side. And I got a neighbor that stayed beside me, and he's like, worrisome. He needs to get married. So if y'all got somebody single, he's about 38, you kind of hook him up. They got a little party tonight on the job. They got a little potluck dinner. I don't know why you want me to cook him a little potluck. You know when you have everybody bring a little dish or something. He's like, Cookie Journal, come on, man. I'm telling these folks, I can cook. I say, you need to go into work. Line of these folks if you can't cook. But I say, man, I've been knowing him for a while. So I say, I tell you what, I'm going to hook you up. He said, I'm going to tell him I cook. I say, you can go ahead and do it. I say, I haven't been able to do a video anyway because I've been working and writing this book. So I say, let me see. I say, just let me take care of it. Just go back. Let me think what I'm going to do. So I thought I'm going to make, okay, a little potluck dinner. And I wanted to make this one kind of special. Not only because I'm doing it for him, because I'm doing it for you too. And this here's a kind of a irreversible dish because this dish can actually be used for people who eat meat and it also can be used for vegetarians. So just leaving out key ingredients. And I think it'll be pretty interesting to have this here dish. So I'm gonna do, it's gonna be like a, I don't even know what I'm gonna call it. So come in, let me show you what I'm gonna put into this bad boy. Okay, check this out here. Now, if y'all watched my video before, y'all know I use a certain type of rice. I take it out the bag and put it in this little bowl, but it's a certain type of rice that I use. Go back to some other videos, you'll see what kind of rice I use, but I like this kind of rice, but you can use any kind of rice. Some red beans, we got some tomatoes and green chilies, and we can also use some chicken broth. Now, the season I'm gonna use some black pepper, and you can use McCormick. I'm just gonna use some Tony, so you already know. And then you're gonna need an onion and some oil. Because you want to try to get your onion, you want to try, get a little bit tender on it. So you're going to make a pack of cornbread, so you're going to need some cornbread mix, milk, and egg. Now, I'm going to top my cornbread with some cheddar cheese and jalapeno peppers. Now, if you don't want to use meat, you can just follow this here, and leave this out. But since they eat meat on the job, I'm going to use this here. And this is a local sausage, a Burton sausage. And it's got green onions in it, real good. And I'm gonna use ground meat. Now, you can double up on this recipe too, but I'm using less than a pound of ground meat. And I'm probably gonna use about half of this sausage. So it's really not gonna be a small dish because it's just for them. And he's on the job with about 15, 20 people. So, and spank them right there. All righty, let me get ready to put this together. It's gonna be kind of like a red beans rice casserole, I guess. You can call it that there. But it's gonna be kind of unique the way I'm gonna put this together. So, y'all stay tuned, and I'm tired, man. Get some rest after this here. Oh, yeah, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Check your next video. Oh, yeah. And, ask somebody. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Let's go ahead and get this thing started because I am so tired. Now, come in, let me show you what I'm doing. Now, I added my milk, my egg. I always put a little pinch of salt in my cornbread mix. I'm getting this here ready. You want to get your cornbread mix ready. Okay, I got the rice over here boiling. Now, I just put just a little oil in here because I want to go ahead and do these onions. You see it going? And as you see, I got my sausage already diced up. My ground meat is over there, but I'm going to get it going. Once the onions get sauteed like you want them, then I'm going to add my ground meat and my sausage into it with them. And then I'm going to get the ground meat and sausage done. Then that's when I'm going to come back and show y'all how you add your beans and the rest of the stuff. And your chicken broth is going to be the last thing you order. Put it in there. So let's get ready and get this done. I'm tired, man. Just ask somebody. Alrighty, now. Alright, welcome back to the Cooking Journal, man. I got this guy's thing ready for you. I'm coming to show you. Okay, you want to get your ground meat and sausage brown with onions. I got them already in there. They sauteed. I put my sausage, ground meat. Now, I don't know, like a lot of people, I like to wash my beans off, especially when I get like red or something in the can. So you want to take your red beans, you want to put them in there. Okay, you see I got my rice already cooked, and that's why I told you I like this kind of rice. It doesn't stick together, and I like this kind of rice. And you can go back to the old videos and see what kind of rice I use, because I can't even think of the name of that. Then you want to go ahead and put your tomatoes and green chilies off in there. And it's going to be our mixture for our base. And we got our cornbread mix already mixed up. Now, chicken broth is going to be the last thing we do. Now, and I got a casserole dish here, and see, I put some butter, see, because I'm gonna put my rice straight down on that butter, and it keeps it from sticking too. And so you want to make your a fine layer at the bottom. Just like that. Put your rice in there. Lay it down. There we go. Stick that there. And I'm going to throw this, I don't even feel like getting all of it out of there. Okay, anyway, we're going to do it like that. Now we got our rice at this bottom. Now, we're going to set our oven for 400. Alrighty. Oven set for 400. We're going to get this mixed up. Now, you want to take it. And you want to put it right on here. Just like that. Get you all of it out of there. There you go. Lay it down on top of that rice. Get it in there. There we go. Now, I'm gonna lay it down just like that. Flatten it out. There. Alrighty. Now, you want to add your chicken broth. In there. About a cup, I'll say, for them guys there. Not too much. We ain't gonna go too serious with it. That should be enough. You should still have a little left in your can. Just pull a bit more. There we go. Like that. Now, you want to take your cornbread mixture and you want to coat the top of it with your cornbread. There you go. Throw it down like that. Go to the top of this here. There we go. Get it on out here. Just keep on going. Go to the top of it. Just like you're doing a cake. No problem at all. Let's get all this out of here. Get this corner here and right here. Alrighty. It's about the last of it. That's how you want it to look, just like that. Now remember, your cornbread is gonna rise, so don't worry about it if you ain't got every corner covered. Now, what we want to do, you want to take your cheddar cheese, put that in there. Let's cut this off. You want to sprinkle some cheddar cheese over your cornbread, like that. A little bit more. All right there. Okay, now you want to come back and you want to place your jalapenos on top of your cornbread. You're just going to bake all this right into it. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, we got the oven set for 400. Put it off in there. And we're going to bake about, until the cornbread get done, I say about 20, 25 minutes. And we're going to get this stuff golden, man. This guy really owed me big time, y'all. He owed me big time. And I'm trying to show y'all a video step by step. I'll try to do more step by step with y'all later on. But right now I'm trying to get a lot of stuff out the way. So we're going to move to level 2. So I'll come back when it's ready and show y'all how it looks. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the kitchen. I know I told y'all I was tired. But man, this thing come out. Man, it's smelling so good. I wish y'all was here to smell it. Now, one thing I didn't tell y'all, I forgot. I went back and reviewed some of the footage. Now, I added a little like Cajun season and a little black pepper in the meat when I was browning it. So don't forget to add your season. I forgot to tell you. I'm glad I didn't forget to add it though. Oh man. Come here, let me show y'all. Look. Oh, right there. Come here, take it out here. Now look at that. Golden brown, the cheese, the cornbread is done. You got the peppers in there. You got your ground meat and sausage. Now, remember, you don't have to have ground meat and sausage. And it's still going to look just as good. It's going to taste just as good if you're a vegetarian. Ooh, man. I ain't even have the energy to do this. And this man is just pumping me up. Now, I'm going to call him and tell him to come get this dish because I want to cut it. I wish I could cut it and show you how to. Woo, man. Y'all got to try it out, though, man. Let's do it, man. Come on. Lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on. I said, my don't dance.